Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. So, today we will continue our previous lesson, which is about asking questions and answering them in the present continuous tense. So, when do we use the present continuous tense? We use the present continuous tense if you are asking about something right now, what is going on or what is happening right now. If we look at this page, open your books on page 19, we will see, or we covered this exercise. This guy is asking about what are they doing right now, all these people. So we use the ing, the present, we use what? The you, and plus the ing, or you can say is. If we're asking about Henry, for example, we say he is, or what is Henry doing. So we use the ing in the question and with the verb, and the ing with the verb in the answer, to talk about what is happening right now. So let's take another exercise to make sure that you understand the lesson. Now let's go to open your books, the activity workbook, this one. Open it on page 13, excuse me. Open it on page 13 as you can see here. Now, we will take an exercise, or this exercise. It will show us when do we use it, how can we ask about a location, and how to give information about what is going on right now. For example, we have the words here: doing, reading, playing, studying, watching, sleeping, eating, cooking, I'm, he's, she's, we're, there, are, you, what, what's. So these words, you will use them, or verbs over here, you will use them in the empty spaces. You can use it more than once. You can use more than once. So let's take this example. I will do this for you, and then you have to do it by yourself. Now, number one, she's asking, what are you doing? So she is asking about what is he doing right now. She's asking him. She called him and asked him, what is he doing? So she said, what are you doing? He answered, I'm, or am. What is he doing? He is what? Is he studying English, or is he reading English? What do you think? Both of them is correct, but what do you think? This is his mom, and she's calling her son. So he will say what? Yes, I'm studying English. I will not write it down. You have to understand it and do it by yourself. Now, what you have to do is, so we said what? When do we use the ing over here? When do we use the ing? We have the ing, we have the ing here. So when do we use the ing? If you are talking about something that is happening right now, taking action now, you will use the ing with or within the verb. We have these, all these are verbs. So now I will give you 4 minutes. I will give you 4 minutes. If this circle is green, then the time is up. The time is finished. So I will click, and I want you to do all this exercise by yourself, or you can work with one of your colleagues. The guy sits next to you, your colleague, only one. So the maximum to do this exercise is 2 person. Okay guys, begin. Come on, guys, you have 30 seconds. You don't have much time. Hurry up. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, the time is up. Now, let's do the exercise together. So, we have here let's maximize the size of the page first. Now, number one, what did you say on number one? What are you doing? What is he doing? He said, I am studying English. Yes, correct. The correct answer is I'm studying. Okay, number two. Okay, what did you do on number two? What is Carla? Carla. So, what options do we have here? What options? What options? All the only answer we have here is what? Yes, eating. What? Oh, sorry. What is what? Doing. We're asking about what is she doing. So she answered. She said what? So we say she. We have here she's what? Eating. She's eating. This is the answer. Now let's go to number three. Walter doing. So she is asking her about what is Walter. This is Walter doing. So the question would begin with what? Do we say what is Walter doing or what are Walter doing? What do you think? Yes. What is or what's Walter doing? So she answered, this woman answered, she's talking about him, so she say he's. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. Okay, let's go to number four. Number four, so she's asking her about them. What are they doing? So the question will begin, what? Do we say what is or what are? Yes, what are, because we have Julie and David. So she will answer with what? She's talking about them, two people. So if we talk about two people, what do we say? Yes, we say there. There. What are they doing now? Are they studying or reading? Yes, they are reading. Okay, now let's go to number five. So he's asking her about what she and him, this is George, what she and George doing. So he will ask, does he ask with what is or what are? Yes, what are, because we have two. He's asking about two people and we have you. So she will answer, does she say I am watching TV or we are watching TV? Yes, we are, or we're. What they are doing? They are watching TV. Watching TV. Now let's go to number six. So he's on the phone calling him to ask what is he doing. So, do we say what are you doing or what is you doing? Yes, what are you doing? Because we have here what? You. What are you? And to ask about the action, what is he doing? Say doing. This is, we use it if we asking about what the person or that individual doing right now. So the answer, so does he see he is playing the piano or I'm, yes, I'm. So if you are working on the piano, we say it what? Playing the piano. Playing the piano, playing the guitar, playing oud, playing drums. All these we say what? With the music instruments, we call them playing. You say playing. Now let's go to number 7, last one. So number 7, she is asking her what is this guy William doing. So the question, do we say what are William doing or what is William doing? Yes, what is William doing? So she will answer, does she say I am or he is? Yes, he is. What is he doing? Yes, cooking. Cooking dinner. He is cooking dinner. Excellent job, guys. Write it down. If you don't have much enough time to write it down, you can go back to the video and check the answers again and check your answers also. So now let's continue and take the next exercise. Now open your books, the same book, activity book, on page 14. Page 14. Come on guys, we don't have much time. Page 14. So this exercise is the same thing, almost the same thing, but here you will have to write the present continuous verb in the empty spaces. So they gave you everything, all the information. You will just take the correct present continuous verb here and put it in the space. So if we look here at this guy, number 1, it's done for us and as an example. So number 1, what is he doing? He is eating. So this is or this information is about the action is going on now. What is happening? For example, you are where? You are in the classroom. So you are studying. Okay. Now I want you to do the other exercises over here. We have until 10. I think 4 minutes is enough for you. You will just check the correct verb, put it in the empty space. For example, here eating. So he took eating and put it here. So the verb or the present continuous verb, you will use it only once. Only once. There is no eating here. No eating. Only one eating here. And the same thing playing. There is only one playing. So you have to be careful. I will give you 4 minutes. Continue the exercise and good luck. If this circle is green, then the time is up. Okay, the time is up. Now let's do the exercise together. So, I hope it was easy for you. Now, we have here number 1 is done for us, so we don't have to do it again. Now let's go to number 2. So, what is she doing now? The action. What is the correct present continuous verb? Yes, she is what? Drinking. She is drinking. Now, let's go to number 3. There, what are they doing? Mathematics. What does it mean, mathematics? رياضيات. Mathematics. So mathematics, do you read mathematics? No, I don't think so. You only study mathematics. So, studying mathematics. Yes, excellent job. Now let's go to number 4. So, what is he doing? He is the newspaper. What you don't study the newspaper, of course. You only what? Yes, reading. He is reading the newspaper. Number 5. What are they doing, 2 of them? They are, or they're, sleeping. Very easy. This one is very easy. So now what is she doing? She's teacher, so she is teaching. She is teaching. Okay, good job. Now number 7. So he's listening to what? To music. So he's listening. He's not singing. All what he is doing is he has his headphone plugged to the cassette, I think, and listening to the music. Now number 8. What are these old people doing? They are what? TV. We have TV. So the only thing you do with TV is watching it. Number 9. So she is what? Dinner. What can you do with dinner? You only what? Cooking it. Cooking dinner. Number 10. So he is in the shower tub and with the shower on. So we say what? He is. What is the correct one? Is he playing? No, he's not playing. The only thing we have left, what is it? Playing and what? And swimming. So either we can say he is playing or swimming. So he can be swimming. This is one correct answer, but we don't have swimming over here. What is he doing? If you see the music or the melody over here, so what is he doing? He is singing, or that is what you usually do in the shower tub. Number 11, there, these kids, what are they doing? Baseball. So baseball, what can you do? The only thing you do is playing baseball. Excellent job, guys. I hope all the answers are correct. If they are not correct, you have to check it again. So before we finish our lesson for today, when we use the ing with the verb, we use the this one with the action is going on right now, something happening right now. If you're asking about something is not happening right now, you do not use ing. For example, if I ask you, what do you do? So if you see here, we don't have ing. So I'm asking you about something you usually do, or what do you do? Do you work? Do you work? Are you a student? So you say I am a student, or I'm a teacher. Look, you don't say studying. No, I'm not asking you what are you doing now. So I use this way. Now, thank you very much, guys. See you next time. We will take a new lesson, a lot of information. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.